After my cheating husband left, my house flooded.
I didn't know you had to vacuum the drain line.
My AC guy was charging me thousands of dollars for emergency service calls for something that I could do on my own.
Stop wasting time using clunky wet vacs to suck out your line. Unclog is the world's first smart automated suction device that cleans your drain line while you sleep. No more clunky shop vacs that never seal right. No more pouring bleach down the pipe, which corrodes your evaporator coil. Let's be honest, you just don't want to do it. So you wait until your AC floods and ruins your floors and ceiling, or until your wife is yelling at you to fix the AC because it turned off in the middle of July when the water sensor tripped and cut off the power to your air handler. The odds you will experience flooding or AC outages due to issues with your condensate drain line is 1 in 1.2. It's not an if problem, it's a when problem. Believe it or not, 8 million homeowners have this issue every year. So many, I'm sure you're thinking to yourself, why hasn't anyone come up with this sooner? The answer? Nearly 90% of HVAC technician service calls are related to issues with the condensate drain line backing up. Unclog is more than just a marriage saver. It's an easy to install, set it and forget it device that cleans out your AC condensate drain line daily or weekly. Don't let the size of Unclog fool you. It's compact, but packs a mean punch. We've designed a motor so powerful, yet so compact, it likely produces more suction than the wet-dry vacuum you've been using, or not using, to clean your drain line all along. Say goodbye to Zuglia forever, that nasty, mucousy, moldy buildup that constantly backs up the line, causing catastrophe. The goal is to never think about cleaning your drain line ever again. Rest assured knowing it's covered by Unclog. When Unclog isn't actively cleaning, your AC drains normally, thanks to our dual-flow twin drain design. Unclog is also smart, really smart. It connects to your Wi-Fi and can be controlled by an app allowing you to set schedules, read weather data to know when to run or shut off during a freeze, and it can even connect to your smart thermostat for ultra efficiency. And if you have multiple air conditioners, they can all be set up and controlled right from the same app. The best part? It's ridiculously energy efficient. If you scheduled Unclog to run once a week, it would cost you roughly $4 per year. But if that doesn't convince you, or if you don't have a power source nearby, we also created an optional solar panel. Yup, no calling an electrician to add an outlet or hardwire Unclog. Just attach the solar panel to the side of your house, or using our solar panel gutter clips for a 10-second install. This includes an energy-efficient battery to keep Unclog running all year long off the good old sunshine. Speaking of savings, think about the statistics. You're basically guaranteed to have this issue if you use air conditioning. If you live where it's hot or humid, you probably already have. Ceilings, floors, drywall, mold, electrical, some very expensive repairs. Unclog saves you from those very expensive repairs. It's a no-brainer. I'm sure you're wondering how difficult Unclog is to install. The answer? Not at all. Just mount it, connect the hose, and plug it in. Total install time, 10 minutes. Arguably less time than finding your shop vac, sucking up the line, and cleaning up after spilling month-old algae water on yourself. Developing Unclog didn't come without major challenges. We've been through years of prototypes. Years and years. We tested. We failed. We rebuilt. It felt like we'd never get there. Then it happened. Unclog was born. Through endless prototypes, failures, and redesigns, we finally cracked the code. After all this, we're super excited to launch on Kickstarter. We've been dreaming of sharing Unclog with the world ever since it was just an idea. To look back on how far we've come is incredible, but now we need your help. In order to bring this project to life, we need to raise at least $10,000. These funds will cover the 9 custom molds required for production. Additionally, support from Kickstarter will help us fulfill initial backer orders, recoup costs from extensive prototyping and R&D, and invest in final refinements, packaging, and quality testing to ensure Unclog is the best it can be. Unclog is 100% ready for production. The moment this campaign is fully funded, we hit the ground running. Tooling begins, molds are made, and manufacturing is set in motion. Our goal is to have Unclog in your hands in 90 days. AC drain line issues happen in far too many homes. Help us end this issue once and for all by backing this project. We cannot do it alone, and your support would mean the world to us. Unclog. Flood-free AC.